Garden Contest Show Gnome Mercy is an experience of contrast between the pleasantry of designing your unique garden by day and the savagery of sabotaging your neighbor's gardens at night. Players are competing in a neighborhood gardening contest, seeking to design their garden in a way that will attract wildlife and impress the judges, thereby earning them award ribbons to help them win the game. At the end of the game, players will receive awards for having the most wildlife variety, most plant variety, most objects of the same theme, best design, and any star features. Ribbons can also be earned for having the most of each secret judge preference. In one game, judges' preferences might include sunflowers, fountains, and butterflies. In another, they may prefer statues, bluebirds, and turtles. With 7 secret judge preferences dealt each game, the combinations are nearly endless, and players will need to bribe the judges or spy on their opponents to discover these valuable secrets. While each player starts their turn by rolling the event die, all players may benefit from any event. These events include attracting animals and birds to your fountains and plants, planting flowers and attracting insects to your flower beds, attracting gnomes to your benches and statues, or swapping cards or tokens in your garden when the wind blows through your chimes and spinners. The game isn't so much about hoping for your event to be rolled, because it will be rolled by someone eventually. Rather, the key is that you choose wisely when drafting garden objects into your garden. Each object in the deck and each event on the die grants a limited number of first and second place ribbons, and it is up to you to manage your turns wisely and maximize your award ribbon potential. While gnomes can be spent away in the day to bribe judges or gain you the most desirable of objects, one mustn't forget their value within your garden at night. So arrange your gnomes with care while you have the chance, for when night falls, the gnomes awaken. Each night, these nocturnal miscreants either cause mischief in your neighbor's gardens or defend and repair your own garden, depending on how they were arranged in the day. You only have yourself to blame if your prized chimes did not have a gnome defending them from bearded pranksters. But worry not, for a sabotaged object is not just a ruined ornament, it is also an opportunity for revenge. And just maybe, sweet revenge will be even sweeter than the beautiful chimes you once knew. Only one gardener can triumphantly emerge from this cycle of fanciful floriculture and twilight treachery. Show Gnome mercy.